up, guys? What's up? Today I'm here with Aliexpress hair again. Got it in the green drawstring bag this time around. Sometimes I get it in a box, sometimes I get it in a drawstring bag like this, so I really don't mind. I must say, so far so good though. All the wigs I've gotten from Aliexpress so far have been so good. Quality have been good. I have one that I just love, this 30-inch one that I got some time ago, like probably like 2 months ago. Bomb. But anyways, let's see what wig we're working with today. So look at what's in the bag. What else came in the package? Got the information card, same information card like I always get, and a wig cap. That's all that came with the wig. This is actually a 22-inch wig. Okay, I've never gotten this color before, so I'm very excited for that. It's kind of like ginger in a way. The thing with this though, it's a 4x4 closure wig. It's not a lace frontals. Once I get a closure wig or a headband wig, I feel like it's beginner friendly. It's definitely an easier wig to apply than the regular lace front. So yeah, it's a standard cap construction. Has a total of 3 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. So yeah, that's how it looks. It came with a center part, which a center part is definitely what I would do, because you know a 4x4 closure, lace closure, is smaller, so you don't have much space to work with. So I feel like the best option is really center part. Yeah, so we're gonna work around this. As you can see, it's a straight texture, shedding 1 strand so far. Let's see if we get any more. Yeah, I get a little bit, like a little, it's not a full strand, but we can definitely see that this is processed hair. Yeah, so I got a couple strands here. I don't know if you can see, like 2 strands. Because it's processed hair, I definitely expect, you know, that. Okay, so it's like on the coarse side, the texture. Like, it feels strong though, but it's on the coarser side, and I can tell that also because of the processing. So yeah, it's full. I like that. I like the fact that it's full. Let's go ahead and jump into applying this. So it has combs on the sides here, so I just stick those into my braids, so that will ensure security. So if you don't even want to go in and like apply any adhesive at all, you don't have to, because it's not going to slide off your head at all. I just so wish I got this in a frontal, because okay, with a closure as well, it's like if you get it like this, you know that definitely you're going to be wearing it in a as this, that you can't really style it much. Then that's what I should say. It's kind of limited where styling is concerned. But again, as I mentioned in a previous hair video that I did, if you're a center part girl, you're gonna love this. it looks pretty good. And as you can see, I did complete pull back here in the front. I did absolutely no swoops at all. That's just how I was feeling, especially with like these kind of hair. I mean, I'll do it with blonde hair and so, you know, but like color I should say. But I mean, it has a nice sleek look, just pulling it back like that, and it's laying flat. So guys, that's it. I'm all done with straightening the hair. The movement is really nice. You know, like some processed hair, like, because you can obviously see that it's been processed, like the movement is not good, like, it's dull and dead. And with this, I'm not experiencing that at all. The luster is still very pretty. You know, the process never take away from the sheen or anything. So Aliexpress hair, again, I like the quality of this hair. Now, as you guys know, as I said, I'm not the biggest fan of a 4x4 closure because it's such limited space to work with. I did a complete pullback too. Did no swoops, as I said before, no swoops at all. So the only con is, like, you know, I can't really finesse here, so with the wig. And then my hair black and this one different color, so that never work. It's full from the root of the wig to the tip. Okay, it's not stringy, and look at that movement. So I'm going to be sure to drop the information on this wig in my description box. So if you guys are interested in this wig, go ahead and check it out there. The specs and everything is listed. That's it for today. I'm done with my rambling. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because you know your girl is always showing you new wig looks almost every day. I'm always showing you guys new wig looks almost every day and trying to bring you quality. So yeah, thanks for supporting, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself.